Are you experiencing lag? In this video, I'll give you quick tips to fix it, fast and easy. Slow game. Go to your game settings, click on video, and set display mode to full screen. Adjust refresh rate to the highest your monitor allows. For example, mine is 144 Hz. Internet lag, go to game settings. Then set max acceptable ping to a low value, ideally between 25 to 30 milliseconds. For max acceptable traffic bandwidth, if you have a fast connection, choose unrestricted. For slower internet, select 3 to 4 megabits per second. Turn on buffering to smooth over packet loss, and test either 1 or 2 packet settings to see what works best. For CPU cores usage, set to performance cores, only for maximum FPS and reduced lag. This prioritizes the most powerful cores on your CPU, making your game smoother. Talking and experiencing lag. Not often mentioned, but I struggled with this myself. Here's the fix. Go to audio settings, click on voice, and enable streamlined push-to-talk. Shooting but missing? Go to game settings, then click on damage predict. Enable predict body shot effects. Enable predict headshot effects. Enable predict kill ragdolls. These settings calculate hit effects in advance, reducing lag between your shot and the game's response, making your shots feel more accurate. Still lagging? Exit the game. Search for delete temporary files on your PC. Delete the DirectX shader cache. These are old graphics files that can slow your game. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments so more people can fix their lag too.